Hi, this is Chris Garcia with Cobalt Digital. We're here at the InfoComm Expo. We're showcasing some of our new tools that we have for what has become now, or starting to become now, a popular interface or standard technology, which is called IPMX. Here on the display, we have a couple new boxes that are essentially, depending on what you want, if it's going to be a transmitter or receiver, we have both directions. These can do IPMX or 2110. Obviously, for this event, a lot of the visitors are looking for something more that fits into the IPMX infrastructure. And these boxes come in a single channel, dual channel, or 4-channel, and they can also be used in very quiet environments because we have some that are fanless and some with the fans. So depending on what you need to do, these can accommodate that. You can do multiple streams. You can do also SDI if you wanted to plug it into a very professional environment. But for the most part, people are looking for the flexibility to go from IPMX to HDMI or HDMI to IPMX, and being able to have full control with NMOS 0405 of these boxes, being able to discover and orchestrate any connections between other devices on the network. Again, this is Chris with Cobalt. If you happen to be at InfoComm, do stop by. We can give you a quick little brief demo. And thanks again. And if you want to look for these products and other products, go to our website, cobaltdigital.com, and you can type in SAPPHIRE and look for IPMX products. Thanks very much.